Today we're going to start right here. We're going to see how much of this, how high up we can cut it. We got all these spot welds we got to mark, cut out. It's going to be a while getting it off. But right now we're going to hold up the new piece so I can see how high up we can cut, where I can get a cut line up here, and we'll check it out and see what we got. Let's go get the new piece. Alright, so we'll hold this up. This is the new piece. Touch it. This is your end. So we're going to get a marker. See how high up it comes. Oh, that's good. See, this rolls over. Alright, so we can cut right around in there. That's the height of the best we can do. We land up here.
Yes.
Okay. I'm a little low here.
It does stick out wide, or I'll just draw a line if you want to draw.
Yeah, that's all.
I did one on the side too, just to show you where.
Pretty much know where that's going to go. Alright. That's roughly where we can go. So I'm thinking I'm going to cut. This is the line. I'm thinking I'm going to cut right about here. Maybe a little lower. I think I'll start here. That'll give me something to work with afterwards. And the bumper will cover the weld mark. Even though it's going to be ground down smooth, we still want to cover it with the bumper. So that's our rough idea. Best we can do with what we got.
Yep.
Gotta admit, those stampings are nice. So I guess from here we just start punching and drilling and swearing. Find all our spot welds. I get the rest of these punched. Work them back. I'll show you how we're going to drill them out. Alright. Here are all the spot welds center drilled so that the tool we use to cut out the welds doesn't roll around, slap all over the place, I think. And this is what we're using. It's a spot weld cutter. And this is replaceable. This centerpiece goes in. Once you put it into here, slides in and out. And to keep it sharp, we use this here. For cutting. Alright, this one here, 7/16. This is a 3/8, a little smaller. you can see. Takes a while, and we got a lot of them to do. So, I'll get back to you when I'm done.
See you in 3 days.
Yeah, see you in 3 days.
3 days later.
Alright, I got them all drilled out. Had to let the car down a little bit. So we're going to pick it back up and start on the bottom part. Stay tuned. Alright. I love these chucks. There. That was big enough to start that saw. Ain't much to it anyways. We'll give it a shot. See what happens. Alright, we're going to use the air saw. And cut right along the bottom here. Only over to this seam. Back to that seam right here. Now this thing's a little on the noisy side. And I'm not sure it's going to work properly. So we'll give it a shot. You want ear protection for this one.
Well, you get the idea. Let's skip ahead.
Alright, that's the corner I'm working on right now. And it's being a bear. But we did it. And I thought I'd show you. There's a bracelet behind here. And down into here. And we gotta get this panel cut off of this. But I left myself a lot of extra. Because the new panel will come up to here, but I'm cutting along here. And below. Just so when I get it opened up, then I'll know where I can trim everything back to, get the new panel set in there. Right now we got a little piece down in here I gotta cut off. Didn't even fit, so we just cut it off. Let's see what that does. Hi. Hi. And that's what I'm talking about. Oh. Because I don't know exactly what's behind here. I don't want to go too deep with this either. We'll just break things apart little by little. Yeah, that brace is behind it. Alright, got that across there now. Put it out, I said. See what I've done. Another one right there. Some of them you can't see, so you just got to keep pecking away until you find them. Hammer that back. Normal. There you go. Oh, I will not. That's not. Another bracing behind it. That's plan B.
This valance had a lot of hidden welds. Just take your time, don't rush it, and you'll eventually get it off. Now let's jump ahead to after Pops has gotten the panel off.
Alright, what we got to do today, get this off, clean this up here, this down there, get this all off, so we can get the new one set up in place, see what we got left to cut off, clean up. So, no further ado.
That's all, folks.